Back to Avalanche. Let me show you the place again. So I'm just taking a walk and down the forest, and let me show you how it looks like. There you go. Quite a few monkeys around. It looks like a forest, pretty dense one. But this looks like okay. If you can see out there, there's a lake out there. So way out there. I'm not sure I can zoom it. Let me try to zoom it. Here you go. See the lake now? There's the lake. And here you go. I'm sure you can see the monkeys. Yeah, here you go. These are the monkeys. There's a lot of monkeys around here. Uh, Let me just zoom in. Yeah, I'm just using my cell phone to capture this video. I wish I had a handy cam to do that. But it should be good. I think picture qualities and the sound and all are coming good. So you can see the monkeys here. These are the monkeys we're having here. Lunch, I guess. Still not even had my lunch. Neither Bebo, neither my wife. Bebo is not well. So kind of, worried about Bebo. So it's been 4 days now. We're outside, so she got a motion sickness. Hopefully she recovers well. That's the mountain again and the forest. There you can see the forest inside. Okay, let's take your walk down. Okay, let me just go down first and then I'll take another video. Okay, see you then.